Edit. I have it adrenaline edited.
Okay, we got a 99. What's this? Honda Accord.
Accord LS.
Honda Accord LS.
It's the best.
Yeah, he said it's the best. We're doing a valve cover gasket. So I sprayed all the bolts down with this. This supposed to be some good shit. Freeze off CRC, pretty good. So we're gonna get the cover off, and I'll let y'all know.
Shout out to AutoZone.
Yeah,
where you can get discount parts at regular prices.
Well, we at AutoZone on 8 Mile and Woodward, where I'm usually at. So we in Detroit. So we're gonna go in and get this job done.
They named it Mercedes of Bloomfield.
Okay, to take this off, it is a 10mm socket to take the 4 bolts out, the valve cover. You know, I'm using my Milwaukee cordless ratchet, of course. Okay, you got a hose here. Get you some pliers, take that off. Remove the wires. You can't really mix them up because they in synchronized order. The lengths of them are. So don't panic on that. Okay, so now let's get it pried off of here. Okay, so you want to go ahead and clean up around the valve cover so you can see, get rid of the grease, and do some brake clean or whatever you got. Starter fluid, don't matter. Okay, this is ready to come off. I took this off here. Gotta do the same here. Get all these little hoses off. Well, this look like that come right out. That's a PC. This is a PVC valve. You can replace that too if you want to, or clean it out. That one ain't bad. Okay, take your screwdriver and you pry it up.
Oh, let me get that, bro.
Okay. Just pry it up easy. Come right up. See? It's that simple. Just take it off. I'm gonna go and get the rest out the way. But as you can see, take that off and she'll come out of there. Gotta use both of my hands and take it off. Okay.
You know that guy Dale that be doing the Detroit urban tactical thing, training thing? He's the top guy from Detroit on YouTube and on TikTok.
I think I seen him.
He's making $1 million a year right now, and I'm the one that started him off with this video. We
got the cover off, as you can see. So you can see the gasket is extremely hard. So you want to take a screwdriver and you want to pry the gasket out. And remove it. The whole gasket is out of there. She's pretty dry and hard. But take your knife and you want to clean here. Like so, just lightly. That's it. And we can get ready to set the gasket, put it back on. Okay, now here's the part number for the gasket. I know it's kind of a little hard to find. If you got a 99, you actually got to look it up at the 2000. And it's this is the part number VS50493R.
And in a pinch, if AutoZone has issues with supply chain, you can always go to Hastings or any of the other
or O'Reilly's. They have it as well, but I recommend AutoZone. You know, that's my favorite store. I'm an AutoZone man. So you don't replace the grommets. These are the grommets for the spark plug holes. You want to replace these to get new ones. And then you also want to replace These are the screw hole grommets. You want to replace these as well so it seals good. So let's get it in, get it done.
Can I get a picture with you in front of the car?
Okay, you can take your needle nose, take these out, your grommets. But this is pretty old, a lot of age on, they hard as a rock. So you're gonna have to work with them a little bit to get them out. So this is a problem you're gonna run into, is getting these grommets out of here. They are shit locked in bad. So I gotta work with them to get them out. Usually probably what I'm gonna do, you probably need a chisel or something to cut them and get them out, or use some heat. So we're gonna see the method I use to get them out of there. Stay tuned. Okay, so these grommets are stuck in there. They stuck in there. You will not be able to get them out by hand. They are in there. You need a torch. And then with the torch, after heating them up, you can pull them right out. See that? But you gotta use the torch, or you'll never get these grommets out. So that's the trick. Just heat them up. Get you some good needle nose. Got these from AutoZone. And pull them on out of there. Or you can use your pick. You can go and use your pick. Pick them right out of there. But I just reach in, grab them, let's go. But you gotta let them heat up. You need MAP gas. MAP gas. Heat them up about 3-4 minutes, get them good and hot, and pull them out. Okay, so we back. We got the old ones out. As you can see, we gotta set the new ones in. Need to put a little oil around them and tap them in with a rubber mallet. See? Like so. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Tap them in with a rubber mallet. All 4 of them. And you set to go. Put some oil though. Use some oil. As you can see, I tapped them all in with the rubber mallet. Boom, boom, boom. I sprayed some stuff around, a little WD. And they're set. Let's get ready to put the gasket on. Let's get the gasket set. Let's get it set. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, good seal. Okay, let's get it done. Okay, the cover's back on. Just installed her 5 bolts. She's back on. As you can see, everything's secure, oil clean, good seal. She ready to go.